Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting news for the Polkadot network. Their visionary founder, Gavin Wood, just announced a major upgrade called JAM, the Join Accumulate Machine. Wood unveiled JAM at the Token 2049 conference in Dubai, and it has the potential to be a game-changer for Polkadot. But first, let's talk about what JAM actually does. JAM More Modular and Scalable Future. JAM aims to replace Polkadot's central chain, the relay chain, with a brand new design. This new design is all about being more modular and minimalist, which means it'll be lighter and faster. This will allow Polkadot to run all sorts of new services and improve overall network stability. Another big win for developers is that JAM will still fully support substrate-based Parachains. This means developers can keep using their favorite tools to build and deploy blockchains on Polkadot. Plus, JAM throws in some technical upgrades under the hood, like a new virtual machine and a special algorithm for faster block production, supporting the ecosystem and beyond. JAM isn't just about the tech, it's also about building a strong ecosystem. The upgrade includes a reward system to incentivize projects built on Polkadot. This means more developers will be drawn to the platform, making the network even more powerful. Price concerns linger. Now, there is some news that might dampen the mood a bit. While JAM sounds amazing, the price of Polkadot's token DOT has actually been dropping lately. It's currently trading around $6.75, which is a worry for some investors. The future of Polkadot. Despite the price dip, JAM has the potential to be a massive step forward for Polkadot. Gavin Wood's leadership in this project is a big deal, and it could be just what Polkadot needs to reach its full potential. Of course, the question remains, how will Polkadot navigate the price fluctuations? That's something the crypto world will be watching closely. So, what do you guys think? Is JAM the future of Polkadot? Let us know in the comments below.